Good evening, everyone. Today we're going to talk about probability theory and its important role in making informed decisions when things may be uncertain. We're going to look at the mathematical framework of assessing risks and maybe making better decisions based on probability. And we're going to look at its applications in finance, engineering, and social sciences. So let's get to it. Probability theory is the backbone of statistical inference, providing us with tools to quantify the likelihood of various outcomes. It's not just flipping coins and rolling dice or counting cards for poker, right? It's probability can be used to help you determine risk and benefits when things are uncertain for a lot of different reasons and a lot of different applications in your life. So when we talk about finance and understanding uncertainty in finance, you probably are going to think immediately of the stock market. That's what it makes me think of to determine whether or not you are going to have a better return or whether or not that investment is going to come with risk. So in engineering, we use it for reliability, sustainability, to try to predict failure rates of systems and components. Like, how long is this thing going to last? How long do we think that, this can go without maintenance? And you obviously have to use it. You just have to use it for a lot of different things. I mean, financially, for your business. Anyway, so social sciences, people use it a lot, or scholars or social scientists, I guess is what we should call them, use them a lot for, since we have presidential elections coming up. It made me think of the polling data. So that's one way that you can kind of try to predict polling data just based on the history of that area and the, socioeconomic stuff going on there and whatever the presidential candidate is really pushing that year for their candidacy campaign. That's the word I was looking for. So here with Python, I decided to compare two different investments. They're completely made up investments, but here they are. So if we look here at these investments, you can see that one of them comes with more risk than another. So if we look at investment A and investment B, they're both bell curve shaped, right? But one of them has more variability than the other. Investment B would probably be a little bit more dangerous just because it has a broader spectrum. So it's going to be a higher risk. And investment A has less risk because it's part of a tighter spectrum. So just to wrap it up, that's probability theory. That's how you can use it to make decisions. If you want to go make this investment, please don't choose B. There's more risk involved. You'd be better off with A. So I'll see you guys around, and happy analyzing.